If you're unboxing and installing a Dahua HDVCI video recorder, here's a step-by-step guide. Unboxing 1. Check contents. Inside the box, you should find Dahua HDVCI DVR power adapter and cable mouse remote control, optional SATA cables and screws for HDD installation. User Manual 2. Inspect for damage. Ensure there are no visible damages on the DVR or accessories. Fitting, installation. 1. Installing the hard drive if not pre-installed. Open the DVR cover, unscrew the back panel. Connect the SATA cable and power cable to the HDD. Secure the HDD with screws and close the cover. 2. Connecting cameras. Connect HDVCI cameras to the BNC ports on the DVR using coaxial cables. Provide power to the cameras using a power adapter or power supply unit. 3. Connecting display and network. Use an HDMI or VGA cable to connect the DVR to a monitor, TV. Plug in the Ethernet cable to the DVR for remote access. 4. Powering up and initial setup. Connect the DVR to power and switch it on. Follow the on-screen setup wizard to configure date and time password and security settings. Camera settings, network setup for remote viewing. 5. Accessing DVR remotely. Download the Dahua DMSS app for mobile access. Scan the DVR's QR code to link it to the app. Would you like a video tutorial link for your specific model? Thank for watching. Like, share, comments, and subscribe.